Later in this course, we're going to practice building different activities for your first weeks of school. But let's organize your course to prepare for adding those activities. So open your course. I just have my sandbox open. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add the course template from the group that we joined earlier. So what we're going to do is go to Add Materials, Import from Resources, and then click on Group. Scroll down until you see the Specialized Services group for Anchor staff. And then click on the words Skills Class Curricula. And what you're going to do is scroll to the bottom and you're going to see Skills Class Online Course Templates. Click on those words. And now you're going to see two different course template folders. If you're working with students in grades 3 through 12, click on the first one. If you're working with K2 or lower level students, click on the second one. So what you want to do is click on the words so that it opens, and then you'll click on the box next to title so that you can copy all of the items into your course. When I hit import, all of the items should come over. And so what I have now is a sample weekly message here that I'm going to want to customize, as well as a folder with items inside. So I should set up a daily message. For our littlest learners, we're going to want to use audio and video to record that. And we also have an example Do Now populated for you. So this one is set up so that I can customize the skill and encourage students to use the microphone. I also have in that folder, students will be able to progress. I have a template for today's lesson that I can include some instruction and some curricular resources and activities. And then for my classroom counselors, I have the daily conference exit ticket. This example has been set up for the youngest learners with video-based questions. You can customize these if you want. In this example, we actually have it set up so that this has an option to read the question to the student, and then they are going to record their answer. So to preview what that looks like for kids, what you have here is they click here to listen to the question, and then they record and are going to submit that each day. We've made some notes here. You can delete this. Some other customizations that you're going to want to do. You're going to want to hide by unpublishing this so that your students don't see your folder, but that can be your workspace for future lessons. Here are some notes for you, the class skills class facilitator and your classroom counselor to work together. One additional customization note, if you are copying over the puzzle piece, the assessment tool from the resources, you always have to make sure that you enable it in order for students to be able to submit. If you want to have it be graded in order so you can track completion, make sure you set up your gradebook, and then completion will be a category available to you. So for my older students, here's the course template copied over for my older students. So if you look at Tuesday, again, we have sample Do Now added. There's a couple different examples for each day in the 3 through 12 template. And if you go to the exit ticket, the daily conference exit ticket in this example, you'll see that these are short answer essay questions. Don't forget, you're going to have to edit any of the exit tickets that you copy and make sure that they are enabled. And again, you have the grading settings here.